Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how we can collaborate between calculate, sumx and treatas function. Okay, so here you can see this is our data. Here you can see this is our cooking essentials data table. So here you can see the brand name and the category, price and quantity. In category you can see oil, rice are there. Okay, but in the other table here you can see again brand name, category is nut, fruit and spices, price and quantity are there. But one thing to notice, if I go as relationship, here you can see there are two tables but there is no foreign key, so there is no relationship between two tables. Okay, if I want result like I want to get the calculation of the sales amount of only nuts from the dry fruit table and only oil from the cooking essentials table. I want to sum the values, sum the sales value, but there is no relationship. How we can achieve that? Okay, so for that I have used a DAX function. Here you can see DAX calculation. Here you can see calculate. So calculate is calculate output will be a single amount. Okay, for the calculate function. So what calculate is doing? Calculate is doing the total calculation here, total. But for that thing I have used sumx function. So sumx, what sumx is doing? Sumx from the cooking essentials table, it is calculating price multiplied by quantity, price multiplied by quantity. Okay, so sumx is summing up the values of category wise price and quantity from the cooking essentials table. Then I am adding this value, then I am adding the value. Again I am used sumx function. What this sumx function is doing? From the dry fruits table, it is multiplying price and quantity. First of all I am getting total count of two tables, whatever value it is. I am not filtering it out. Okay, I am not filtering categories. I am getting sumx of first table, price and quantity, plus sumx of second table, price and quantity. Okay, so I am getting total calculation of two tables. Then I have not used filter here. Filter will not work here. Okay, so if I use treatas function, what treatas is doing? Treatas is used for to calculate values, to filter out values from the non relationship. There is no relationship. If two tables have no relationship, treatas function filter out the expressions, okay, between the columns. So treatas function, I want from the first table I want rice values. Okay, I want rice values from the cooking essentials table, from the category, filtering out. Okay, then again I am using treatas function. I want category wise spices data from another table, dry fruits and spices. So you can see this is picking up values from two different tables which has no relationship between them. So first of all I am getting total amount of two different tables, then I am filtering values with treatas function. From the first table category wise I want rice, from the second table I want category wise of spices. Okay, then total calculate is going on. Okay, so what result I found? Here you can see I found only 51k value of, you can see, rice and spices. So it is excluding oil, okay, from the first table, and the second table it is excluding nuts, fruits. Okay, so like this treatas function is used for. It is a very important function we have to use in our real life projects also. So this is the tutorial for today. If you like my work, please like my videos. If you like my channel work, then subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends, okay, who are interested in Power BI, learn DAX. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.